Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools English Learning video. Today we will learn 3 similar questions. Though these questions are similar, their meaning is very different. Here is the lesson. Today we will learn 3 similar questions. Though these questions are similar, their meaning is very different. Here is the lesson.
What's your nephew like? He's serious. What does he like? He likes to play golf. What does he look like? He's tall with short brown hair. What's your sister like?
She's kind.
What does she like?
She likes video games.
What does she look like?
She's short and has long black hair.
What's your father like?
He's funny.
What does he like?
He likes pizza.
What does he look like?
He's short and bald.
Let me explain what bald means. Bald means he has no hair.
Thank you for explaining that, Marcia. So, I hope you can understand these different questions now. As you have heard, the meaning is very different.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment so we can continue to make great videos.